Why do billions of humans willingly follow one person? A president, a CEO, a military commander, a revolutionary, or even a fictional hero? Is leadership a skill we learn? Or something our brains are biologically programmed to seek? For thousands of years, human survival depended on cooperation. According to evolutionary psychologists, early human groups needed individuals who could organize decisions, protect the group, and coordinate action. In his book, The Origins of Political Order, political scientist Francis Fukuyama explains that human beings naturally create systems of hierarchy and authority because large groups cannot function without coordination. Our ancestors did not survive because everyone acted alone. They survived because they could trust leaders during danger. Psychologist Stanley Milgram showed just how powerful authority can be in his famous 1963 obedience experiment at Yale University. Ordinary people were willing to administer what they believed were painful electric shocks to another person simply because an authority figure instructed them to continue. The shocking conclusion was not that humans are naturally cruel. It was that our brains are strongly influenced by legitimate authority. But authority alone does not create great leaders. Charisma changes how people perceive someone. Psychologist Max Weber described charismatic authority as a form of power based on a person's perceived extraordinary qualities. Research in social psychology shows that charismatic leaders often communicate a strong vision, confidence, emotional expression, and a sense of purpose. They make people feel that they are part of something bigger than themselves. This is why figures like Martin Luther King Jr. could inspire millions with words, not weapons. But the same psychological systems that allow great leaders to unite people can also create dangerous obedience. History shows that powerful leaders can use charisma and authority to manipulate fear, loyalty, and group identity. In The Lucifer Effect, psychologist Philip Zimbardo explored how situations, authority, and group roles can influence ordinary people's behavior. The question is not only why do humans follow leaders? The deeper question is, how do we know which leaders deserve to be followed? A great leader is not simply someone people obey. A great leader is someone who earns trust, creates meaning, and improves the lives of those who follow. Because the most powerful force behind leadership is not the person standing at the front, it is the human mind that chooses to follow.